Are pests chewing holes in your hard-earned harvest before you even get a bite? Imagine a garden where your veggies flourish, your fruit thrives, and bugs run the other way, all without spraying a drop of pesticide. Nature has its own secret weapons, and they're beautiful, fragrant, and edible too. These 15 companion plants not only protect your fruit and veggies, but they also attract pollinators, enrich the soil, and make your garden smarter, not harder. Stick around to discover how basil confuses the enemy, how marigolds make nematodes vanish, and how one common flower can save your entire tomato crop. Let's dive into the 15 best companion plants that naturally defend your crops. 1. Basil is one of the best companion plants for fruit and vegetable gardens because its strong, aromatic oils naturally repel a wide range of common pests, including aphids, thrips, whiteflies, and even mosquitoes. When planted near crops like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce, basil acts as a natural pest deterrent while enhancing the flavor and growth of its neighboring plants. Its pungent scent confuses and discourages insect invaders, making it an effective and organic alternative to chemical pesticides. Plus, basil attracts pollinators like bees, supporting overall garden productivity and adds a fresh culinary bonus right at your fingertips. 2. Marigolds are one of the most powerful and popular companion plants for keeping pests away from fruit and vegetable gardens. Their roots release a natural chemical called alpha-terthionyl, which helps suppress harmful nematodes in the soil, microscopic worms that attack plant roots. Above ground, the bright blooms emit a pungent scent that repels aphids, whiteflies, cabbage moths, and even rabbits. Marigolds are especially beneficial when planted near tomatoes, beans, and brassicas. As a bonus, they attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and hoverflies that prey on garden pests. Tough, beautiful, and hardworking, marigolds are a low-maintenance way to protect your garden naturally. 3. Nasturtiums are a standout companion plant because they serve as a natural trap crop, luring pests like aphids, whiteflies, and cabbage worms away from your fruits and vegetables. Their vibrant flowers and tender leaves are especially attractive to these insects, drawing them away from crops like tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, and brassicas. By concentrating pests on themselves, nasturtiums help protect more valuable plants from damage. At the same time, they attract beneficial insects like predatory wasps and hoverflies, which help control pest populations. Easy to grow, edible, and visually striking, nasturtiums offer both beauty and natural pest control in one simple package. 4. Chives are an excellent companion plant for keeping pests away from fruit and vegetable gardens due to their strong onion-like scent, which deters a variety of harmful insects. They're especially effective at repelling aphids, carrot flies, and Japanese beetles, making them ideal companions for crops like carrots, tomatoes, and strawberries. Chives also have antifungal properties that can help prevent disease in nearby plants. In addition to pest control, their pretty purple flowers attract pollinators like bees, boosting garden productivity. Hardy, compact, and easy to grow, chives provide natural protection while adding flavor to your kitchen and charm to your garden. 5. Dill is a fantastic companion plant for fruit and vegetable gardens because it attracts beneficial insects like ladybugs, parasitic wasps, and hoverflies, all of which prey on common pests such as aphids, caterpillars, and spider mites. When planted near crops like cabbage, lettuce, and onions, dill helps create a natural pest control environment that reduces the need for chemical sprays. Additionally, its feathery foliage provides shelter for these helpful predators, encouraging them to stay longer in your garden. Beyond pest management, dill also improves the growth and flavor of nearby plants, making it a valuable and aromatic addition to any vegetable patch. 6. Borage is an outstanding companion plant for fruit and vegetable gardens because it naturally repels pests like tomato hornworms and cabbage worms, helping to protect vulnerable crops such as tomatoes, strawberries, and brassicas. Its bright blue, star-shaped flowers attract beneficial pollinators like bees and predatory insects that prey on harmful pests, boosting both pest control and pollination. Additionally, borage is known to improve soil health by accumulating trace minerals like calcium and potassium, which can enhance the growth and flavor of neighboring plants. Easy to grow and drought-tolerant, Borage is a beautiful and hardworking ally that supports a healthy, productive garden. 7. Mint is an excellent companion plant for fruit and vegetable gardens because its strong, refreshing aroma acts as a natural repellent to many common pests, including ants, aphids, flea beetles, and cabbage moths. When planted near crops like tomatoes, cabbage, and peas, mint helps create a protective scent barrier that confuses and deters harmful insects from settling on your plants. Additionally, mint attracts beneficial pollinators such as bees, which support healthy fruit and vegetable production. However, because mint can spread aggressively, it's best grown in containers or controlled areas to prevent it from overtaking your garden. Its easy growth, pest-repelling properties, and culinary uses make mint a valuable and versatile addition to your garden. 8. Rosemary is one of the best companion plants for fruit and vegetable gardens because its strong, aromatic oils act as a natural insect repellent, effectively deterring pests like cabbage moths, bean beetles, and carrot flies. When planted near crops such as beans, carrots, and brassicas, rosemary creates a protective barrier that keeps these harmful insects at bay. Beyond pest control, rosemary attracts pollinators like bees, which helps improve fruit and vegetable yields. Its hardy, drought-tolerant nature makes it easy to grow in a variety of garden settings, and its fragrant leaves can also be harvested for delicious culinary use, making rosemary both a practical and flavorful addition to your garden. 9. Garlic is a powerful companion plant for fruit and vegetable gardens because it produces sulfur compounds that naturally repel a wide range of pests, including aphids, spider mites, Japanese beetles, and even root maggots. When planted near crops like tomatoes, carrots, fruit trees, and leafy greens, garlic helps create a protective barrier against these destructive insects. In addition to its pest repellent properties, garlic has antifungal qualities that can reduce the risk of diseases such as powdery mildew and blight in neighboring plants. Easy to grow and requiring minimal care, garlic is a smart, natural way to boost your garden's health and protect your harvest from unwanted invaders. 10. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is an excellent companion plant for fruit and vegetable gardens because it acts as a natural pest deterrent while attracting beneficial insects. Its bright, cheerful flowers produce a sticky substance that traps aphids, whiteflies, and other soft-bodied pests, reducing their numbers before they can damage your crops. Calendula also draws in pollinators like bees and predatory insects such as ladybugs and lacewings, which help keep harmful pest populations under control. Easy to grow and with a long blooming season, calendula not only protects your garden, but also adds vibrant color and edible petals to salads and garnishes, making it a multifunctional garden superstar. 11. Tansy is a powerful companion plant known for its ability to repel a wide range of garden pests, including ants, cabbage worms, beetles, and even mosquitoes, thanks to its strong, pungent aroma. When planted near vegetables like cabbage, potatoes, and beans, tansy helps protect these crops by confusing and deterring harmful insects. Additionally, tansy attracts beneficial predatory insects that help keep pest populations in check. However, it's important to plant tansy with care, as it can spread aggressively and become invasive if left unchecked. Despite this, its natural pest repellent qualities and ability to support beneficial insects make tansy a valuable ally in organic gardening. 12. Sage is a fantastic companion plant for fruit and vegetable gardens because its strong, aromatic scent naturally repels a variety of common pests, including cabbage moths, carrot flies, and beetles. When planted near brassicas like cabbage, broccoli, and kale, as well as carrots and beans, sage helps protect these vulnerable crops from insect damage. Beyond pest control, sage is a hardy perennial that attracts beneficial pollinators, contributing to a healthier and more productive garden ecosystem. Its drought tolerance and low maintenance make it an easy addition that not only keeps pests away, but also adds flavor and beauty to your garden and kitchen. 13. Catnip is an excellent companion plant for keeping pests away from fruit and vegetable gardens because it contains a natural compound called napetolactone, which is highly effective at repelling a variety of destructive insects such as flea beetles, aphids, squash bugs, and even mosquitoes. When planted near crops like cucumbers, squash, and tomatoes, catnip helps create a protective barrier that discourages these pests from attacking your plants. Additionally, catnip attracts beneficial predatory insects that help control other harmful bugs. While catnip can be a bit invasive and may stunt the growth of some nearby plants like lettuce, its strong pest repellent properties make it a valuable natural defense in many garden settings. 14. Yarrow is an exceptional companion plant for fruit and vegetable gardens because it attracts a variety of beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps that prey on common pests such as aphids, thrips, and mites. Its clusters of tiny flowers provide a valuable nectar source that supports these natural predators, helping to keep pest populations under control without any chemicals. Additionally, yarrow improves soil quality by accumulating nutrients like potassium and phosphorus, which boosts the health and resilience of neighboring plants. Hardy and drought-tolerant, yarrow is a low-maintenance addition that naturally enhances both pest defense and soil vitality in your garden. 15. Fennel is a unique but powerful companion plant thanks to its ability to attract a wide range of beneficial predatory insects, including ladybugs, lacewings, parasitic wasps, and hoverflies, natural enemies of aphids, caterpillars, and other garden pests. Its tall, feathery foliage and umbrella-shaped flowers act like a magnet for these helpful insects, creating a protective barrier around your garden. However, fennel is best grown slightly apart from most fruits and vegetables, as it can inhibit the growth of nearby plants due to its allelopathic properties. Planted in borders or a nearby bed, fennel works as a pest-fighting ally while also offering aromatic foliage and edible seeds. As you can see, your garden doesn't need chemicals, it just needs allies. Mix in these companion plants and let nature do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching. Now go make your garden smarter, stronger, and pest-free, one plant at a time. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on top 25 companion plants to naturally get rid of pests. Powerful companion plant.